An SEO pluginizer WordPress to Loradon Thathelps websitiona optimizer there's a for search engines like Google, Bing or Yahoo, without needing to write code. We need an SEO plugin in WordPress because it automates, simplifies, and enhances her process of optimizing Gore website for search engines like Google. Here's a clear explanation of why an SEO plugin is essential. 1. Helps search engines understand your content. Search engines rely on structure data like title tags, meta descriptions, and schema markup to understand what your page is about. SEO plugins makitia sito. Right optimized meta titles and descriptions add focus keywords generates schema automatically, e.g., article, product, review, without a plugin. These tasks will require coding and manual effort. 2. Automatically generates XML sitemaps and SEO plugin creates and updates XML files that tell search engines which pages to crawl and index. It also notifies search engines when content is updated, improving visibility. 3. Controls indexing and crawl settings through features like a robots.txt editor, noindex tags, and canonical URLs. SEO plugin help you prevent duplicate content issues, avoid indexing for 11 pages, like a login pages. Consolidate SEO over Luto preferred URLs. 4. Improves on-page SEO. Most SEO plugins, like Yoast or Rank Math, offer real-time content analysis readability checks keyword sensitize suggestions internal linking recommendations. This helps you write content that is optimized for a search engine say like. 5. Add structured data, schema markup, structure that enhances how your page appears in search results, enabling rich snippets like star ratings, FAQ dropdowns, product prices, author info. Plugins automates schema generation without needing to write JSON. Eld code manually. 6. Redirect management. Good SEO plugins include 301 redirection tools to guide songed search engines from URI stonewones. Essential for maintaining traffic after content updates URL changes. 7. Integrated analytics and search console. SEO plugins often integrate with Google Analytics and Search Console. Help monitor performance and fix errors right from my dashboard. 8. Saves time and reduces errors. Without an SEO plugin you'd need to handle things like Sitemaps, meta tags, canonical links, and schemas encode heard. Partatools. An SEO plugin centralizes and automates the tasks within WordPress admin. In short, an SEO plugin is our toolbox for ranking better in search engines. It simplifies complex tasks, reduces mistakes, and gives you the features needed to make your WordPress visible, fast, and user-friendly.